Noah here, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you along. So today I'm going to be doing a Trader Joe's plant type video. I'm gonna see what they have. I recently did a Trader Joe's plant haul and you guys loved it, so I'm really excited to see what some other locations have available. I've kind of been stalking on Instagram and I did see that some in Glendale had some really beautiful plants. I'm gonna check out some Trader Joe's that I normally never go to, and this one I don't think I've ever been to. I may have been here once in my life, but like honestly I maybe haven't. I don't think I've been to this one. I'm really excited to check out what they have, and I'm kind of nervous to be filming on my camera, so I might be filming on my cell phone. So if the footage quality is not as great, I'm so sorry about that. If I do buy anything, I will be doing a haul, so you definitely want to stay tuned for that. I am looking for a pink caladium that I saw on Instagram that they have, so hopefully they have it at this location, but let's go in and see what they have. Hey guys, so I just left the first Trader Joe's and I have to say that a lot of the plants I saw there I have already seen and I kind of already bought from them. It was nothing new for me. I'm excited to show you guys what they have because they do have some really cool stuff. One of the things I was looking at, which I've never really paid attention too much to at Trader Joe's, was their succulents, and they had some really nice ones. There was one that I was really leaning towards buying, but I ended up talking myself out of it. It was $7.99, which is a very good deal, but I'm not like super huge on succulents, so I was like, you know, I don't want to spend that much on something I'm not like crazy about. I came to a second location and this one's in Santa Monica, so it was packed. There was a huge line. It's only 10 a.m. right now. It's literally 10:15, so the line was way too long and I decided I'm not gonna wait in that one because this Trader Joe's is super small. I feel like my best bet for the caladium is Glendale, so I'm kind of considering going there. I don't know, it's just gonna be such a long drive and I know there's gonna be a line there for sure. So I don't know. I'm struggling. What do you guys think? Can you guys help me out? I wish you guys could help me out right now and like decide for me. But either way, you guys are gonna get a few different Trader Joe's locations in this video, so just stay tuned and we'll go to the next one. Okay guys, so I came to a second location like in the West LA area, kind of close to where the first one was, just like 2 miles away. So I'm hoping they have plants here. I've never been to this one either, so I can't even say. There is a line. It's not that bad. From the looks of it, maybe there's like 20 people in line, so hopefully it goes quickly, but I'm going to check it out just because it was kind of on my way home. I figure why not? So let's go wait in line and hopefully they have that pink caladium that I want. Let's see. So I have to talk to you guys. I decided I'm not going to do like a haul video at the end of this. I'm just gonna show you guys as I get it because it's just gonna be so much easier and like more fun that way, so you guys see what I get. So let me plop you guys down right here. I went to this Trader Joe's, I've never been to it, and they had a lot of the same plants, but I found one special guy, and I just wanna say before I show it, he's in horrible condition. His leaves are filthy. It looks like he's been overwatered. In fact, I can tell for sure he's been overwatered, but I am very confident in taking care of this plant because I have quite a few of them already. I have like 4. I feel like I could really bring him back to life. I just need to clip some of the bad leaves. I need to clean some of the leaves. I don't think he needs to be repotted, but he definitely needs to be separated from his pups. But it is a Pailia Peppermoities, and oh my gosh, this guy is huge, and that's what really drew me to him. I have some, but they're all very small. As you can see, there's some totally dead leaves and that kind of stuff. But if you look closely, let me show you guys in the middle. I'll have to zoom in a second, but there's pups that you can separate from the mother plant, and I'm really excited about that because this guy's gonna give me at least 2 pups. So that's gonna be exciting, and I really love this plant. It's so easy to take care of, grows very, very fast, and this one right here does have new growth already in the center, so I'm very, very happy with this. It was $5.99, and I paid for a much smaller Pailia Peppermoities at a nursery about $25 or $35. So this is a bargain. Most of the big leaves do look okay and savable. Like, I can tell that they're savable. So I'm really excited about this one. And not to mention, the pot is so cute. It's like a baby blue and white pot, and it does give you a nursery pot as well, so you have good drainage. And all in all, the deal, I just couldn't pass it up. So finding this guy was a huge uplifter for me, and waiting in line was definitely worth it. I feel like because I found this guy, I'm ready to go and make the drive to Glendale and get my pink caladium. I really hope they have it. I did see on Instagram a bunch of people like taking videos there. It seems like they have a lot of them, so hopefully they're still there. I'm gonna put this guy safely down here. We are going to drive to Glendale. Let me plug in these directions. Hold on, let me see how long it's gonna take for me to get there. I feel like this is a mission. So I just made it to the Trader Joe's in Glendale, and I'm gonna try to film this fast because I want to run in, and there's a very short line, so I don't want to miss out on it. I just want to let you guys know that I drove on 5 different freeways to get here, so I just want you guys to know how committed I am. I had to take the 10 to the 110 to the 5 to the 2 to the 134 to make it to Glendale. So if that's not commitment in LA, I don't know what is. So let's hope that they have what I need. Let's go. So walking into this Trader Joe's, I could tell that there wasn't a lot just because everything was on this one shelf outside pretty much, but they did have a bunch of really cute succulents, as you can see, and they're so affordable at Trader Joe's. So if you are looking for succulents, I would definitely check these out. They had the small ones for $3.99, and then they had some like bigger succulents for $4.99, and even some for $7.99 that had quite a few in their bin. I actually liked them, and I was thinking of getting one, but I decided against it. But the actual like houseplants, there was only like 1 or 2, and I just quickly zoomed by it thinking maybe there's more inside, but inside there was literally just flowers. So as soon as I noticed that, I was like, okay, well, they're not gonna have it at this location. I guess I gotta go to another one. Oh my god, you guys, I feel so stupid. I just waited in like a 20-minute long line. There was no plants. There was like the smallest section outside with like less than both the other locations that I went to. So now I'm wondering, is there more than one location in Glendale? Like maybe this wasn't the one, because people had told me that this one had a bunch of plants. There's another one. It's 8 miles away, 15 minutes. Like, oh, why didn't I just go there? Why did it take me to this one? I'm so bummed, but I think I'm gonna do it. One more and then we're done. All right, guys, so guess what I got? I found it! My little pink caladium. She's so cute. I finally found the right Trader Joe's that people were talking about on Instagram. They had a few of these, and they actually had some other really cool plants. One of the ones that I really love that Trader Joe's has, but not every location has it. This one had it. It was the Domino peace lily, and I just love that plant. I have one, and it's so cute. Mine's from Trader Joe's as well. I do want to say that this guy does have one dead leaf already down there. But that's the thing with getting plants at Trader Joe's. They're not a nursery, so they're not taking care of their plants like to the utmost ability, but they do take pretty good care of them. It's just that they're always soaking wet, the soil. I feel like they just don't know that you don't have to water it every single day and the soil can be dry. That's the only thing, but I'm so happy that I found it. And I don't know if I mentioned earlier that my Pailia Peppermoities was $5.99 and then this guy was $9.99. I believe it's considered one of their larger plants, even though it's not really large. Or maybe it was $8.99. Hold on. It was $8.99, so that's not bad at all. I just think it's so beautiful, and I took a peek inside. There's like, I don't know if you, yeah, you guys can see it. There's 2 leaves unrolling right there. The biggest ones have the most pink variegation, and the small ones don't really have much of it. But it's such a beautiful baby, and I'm so thrilled to have this in my collection. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my Trader Joe's plant haul video. Let me know if you guys want me to do any more like these. It was really fun. So happy that I did find what I was looking for, and I was really happy that I could show you guys a lot of plants that they do offer at Trader Joe's. Definitely go ahead and check out your local Trader Joe's. They've really got great plants. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below. It really helps me out a lot. You don't even know. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this, because I do plenty of plant videos, plenty of haul videos. Like, it's just my thing. I can't help it. I just love shopping. Let me know if you guys have a caladium, and because this is gonna be my first, and if you guys have any care tips, I would love to hear those. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.